Edo State Governor Senator Monday OKPEBHOLO don talk say the big reconstruction, renovation and remodeling of over 100 schools wey dem dey do across the 3 senatorial districts of the state show say your administration dey committed to improving the education sector, and e also dey follow the renewed hope agenda wey Presido Tinubu talk. The governor announced on Friday, 14 February 2025, said the rebuilding, renovating and remodeling over 100 schools across the state na part of the plan to change education and make sure say every pikin for Edo State go get good learning environment. The governor also talk say dem don identify 120 more schools for the same upgrade as part of the ongoing work to better the education infrastructure for the state. The schools wey Governor OKPEBHOLO visit for Edo South na Eweka Primary School, Obazagbon, Oroma Primary School, Amagba, and Uyosa Primary School, Uzebu Quarters, all for Oredo local government area. The other schools na New Era College for Ikpobaoka local government area, where dem dey build classroom blocks, offices, toilets, fence, security posts, boreholes and other things. The governor come talk say the work wey dem dey do for the schools na direct result of Presido Tinubu's instruction to invest for education of pikin for Edo State, and say the improvement not be only the work of im government but part of the big national plan. E talk say im dey sure say within 1 or 2 years, Edo go see plenty progress not just for education but for other sectors too.
Demonstration of the renewed hope agenda of Mr. President. You can see massive work is going on everywhere we go. We have visited so many schools this morning. Since morning, we'll be moving from one school to the other, and the work is ongoing. This is not my power. This is the power of Mr. President, because he has mandated us to do this for our people. And I know people is happy, and me, I'm also happy. So by the grace of God, by the time we are 1 year in the office, 2 years in the office, a lot of transformation would have been done. This is a thing of joy. I believe Edo people will be happy with time.
Dr. Padi Emmanuel Yamu, Commissioner for Education, follow up with the same talk as he commend the governor for the way in they run the state. Say Governor OKPEBHOLO not just they talk, but in they deliver real changes where people feel see for the schools for Edo. Oga Yamu also mentioned say them go recruit 100 new teachers to fill gap for the technical schools after them don't do better needs assessment. Say this move na part of the effort to upgrade the curriculum to fit current needs and prepare students for work.
Okay, the journey has been quite interesting. We are happy to be working with a governor who says what he means and means whatever he says. As you can see, he said it and his words have been backed with action. Work is ongoing across the 3 senatorial zones. So here is a man who does not just make statements. Work is ongoing, the schools are being renovated, the children are happy, the community is happy. We are happy to have a leader like him who knows the way and who shows the way. So everyone is happy, we're all excited, and as you can see, if you ask the average Edo child, they know that a new Edo indeed is here. So I want to thank the governor for his magnanimity, for his large heart, and we pray for more of God's wisdom and guidance for him in the coming days. You know, first and foremost, when the governor came in, he told us to go around, and we went around the 3 technical colleges. We did a need assessment, and we found out that there are lacunas in terms of the teachers in those schools. So we gave him the report and immediately granted the approval for the 100 teachers across the 3 technical schools. Right now we are reviewing the syllabus because he said he doesn't want the normal thing that has been obtainable. We have the capacity to train students that will come out and provide the seats that we sit on, our children sit on. If they are well trained, they will be able to put in their expertise so that at the end of the day, instead of going outside to bring people into the state to come and be doing the local and petty jobs, our youth will be able to go in, do the POP installation, carry out the seats construction and the likes. And right now the syllabus is being reviewed to fit into the present day realities. So as you can see, the teacher, we are not just going to, it's not the era of bringing your brothers and sisters to come and be employed. We are going to be employing people based on the needs assessment, so that at the end of the day, we'll be able to meet the desired need for this administration. The governor is committed. The governor is here to change the narrative and do things differently. And we are in line with his vision.
The chairman of the State Universal Education Board, SUBEB, Barrister Onome Bridge, also praised the governor for the quick work wey e don achieve, especially for the ongoing school renovations across the state. Say though e don only dey for office for 100 days, Okpebholo don achieve many of the promises e make during campaign, with plenty schools either complete or almost finished. She con still tok say the new furnitures wey dey ready for classrooms go help make sure say the future of education for Edo State go better.
70%, 80% done. The furnishing is ready to be placed in the classrooms. So for 100 days, I think is promise kept.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesole, TMC TV News.